In this video, I will show you how to put together this Santa is Watching card, which is a free SVG file from Simply Crafty SVGs. So this card is pretty simple. I have it in the order that it needs to be put together, and it's kind of crazy looking right now. But I'll take it apart so you can see it. So we have this piece right here, that one, this goes underneath that, then this one. So this is a super simple card, and it's just an A2 size, and then we have these particular levels. So you have to make sure when you put the card together that the eyes are kind of going that way, going from right to left down. So it'll tell you if you have it situated correctly. So we are using American Craft textured cardstock and Barely Art glue. So I normally use art glitter glue too, but I do like Barely Art. So we're not going to, we folded the card, but we have it on the side ready. Had something on there. So we'll go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and put this black piece on the back. So I'm going to flip this over. I'm just going to put glue around the edge of this black piece. And I put it on the wrong side. I want it on the textured side. And just line it up. Just making sure glue's not showing through. So we're going to go ahead and add glue to the back of this card and put it on the card. And then we can put the rest of it just right onto the card. So I'm going to flatten this. Make sure you have it going that way. Then you'll center this. This is the base for the rest of it. Next we want to do is take this one. It's going to line up right perfectly in those holes. So you can go a little bit further in. I made it big just to make it easy to line up. It's just a layered pieced card. I think it's fun though. The next one we'll want to do is this. So this will be the face. I have it lined up right down in these corners. So I'm just careful about the glue, especially close to the openings. And if you do like our freebies, this freebie, I always ask if you can give us a little thumbs up and or subscribe to our channel. And if you hit that little notification bell to the right, you'll be notified when there's new freebies, other projects, maybe tutorials. It helps tremendously, so I appreciate it. It helps to get views on my channel, and because I do offer a lot of freebies. So next we're going to put this piece down. So we're just going to line it up at the bottom edges. It'll fall into place. And then we'll have this. So you could put this, let's go ahead and put the nose on. And you could pop that up if you wanted to, but I'm just going to go ahead and glue it on. So you can see just follow the edges, get it into this area so we have these to follow, and also the nose. don't like where the nose is lining up, so I'm just gonna get a little bit closer. I didn't line up that top panel, so that was the issue. That's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then we're going to take this piece, and it fits just like this. Make sure I have it on correctly. It'll fit up in that corner and cover this top edge if you have it correctly. So it goes like that. So get lined up in that corner up there. That'll help place it. Then we get it straight across here. Well, the last fun part is the glasses. So you could just put them down like that, or pop them up. I'm actually just going to put them down like that, but you could use a foam tape like this to pop them up and get a little bit more dimension. So I'm just going to carefully add glue to these in the middle. You just want to be careful when you place it so you don't drop it in the wrong place. So you can see how they are. I'm just going to go a little bit. I'm getting a little glue in my hands, but just to help me place it. So whatever feels good to you, the placement. So this is why I called it Santa is Watching. So that's it. It's a standard A2 size card. You could put a little sentiment right here or right there. Just a little, and then I'm just going to highlight the eyes a little bit with the white pen. So that's it. I hope you like this freebie, and I thank you so much for watching.